What is up, everybody? We're going to be going over this video. This one is pretty self-explanatory because he actually does some really good annotations here, but what he does in what we do in the fire services, or what we call in the fire service, is rubbernecking. So he's going to do a little target fixation on something to the left. He's not going to focus on what's front. And then boom, he's gonna crash into this vehicle right here. If you'd like to chat with me and other DDFM crew members, swing on by the Discord. It's an absolute free service and allows you to get in contact with me and others around the world. All right, so what's happening here is that, you know, the vehicle was on the side of the road. It was involved in a motor vehicle accident or something that involved the police. That's why the police are on scene so quickly. So at the end of the day, what happened was the target fixation. He fixated on something that wasn't pertinent to him. Now, what I mean by pertinent is that there's the stuff in front of him. He needs to be focused on the critical stuff right there, right in front of him, not focusing on the things to the left or the right. That is target fixation. That can happen whether it's a pothole, somebody pretty on the side of the road, the vehicle pulled over on the side of the road. It could be that chevron or that boulder over there. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, if you're target fixating on stuff outside of what's important, like this right here, you're going to probably have an issue. So in the middle of a turn, if you target fixate on the wrong thing and you accidentally go straight, well, guess what? The turn is not going to straighten up for you. You're going to go off the road. So we're going to go over real quick. He posted this in slow-mo. So what he's doing is he's going to look to the left. There was an incident here. Didn't look forward where there's a brake lights and there's also stoplights. So the stoplights should have been a great indication that, hey, there's vehicles stopping, and if not, there's no vehicles. Well, guess what? You're supposed to stop. So the thing that really distracted him was that the cops on the side of the road with the vehicle. It's very interesting. I understand that, but let's go ahead and stop because it's a stoplight. And then when we're stopped, let's go ahead and take a look over to the left and see what it is. Because honestly, at the end of the day, it's pretty interesting. But let's make sure we're focused on what's in front of us and not make this very common motorcycle mistake by looking to the left, okay? So like I said, guys, make sure you join that Discord. It's absolutely free. We have over 1,900 members. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the lounge or in the new rider question area, and we'll answer those questions, guys. So thank you so much for sending this in. We're going to go ahead and learn from it, and we're going to do better. I want you to keep both feet on the bike, and then I want you to do some type of evasive maneuver, whether it is you straightening the bike and slowing down, or you committing to the turn, knowing for a fact that this guy's going to keep sliding to the outside. So you do not pass on the outside. Try your best to slow it down and possibly go on the inside, go around him, and then tend to your friend.